great. So today is 12th of April 2021 and the day is Monday. So in yesterday's lesson class, we have discussed about the concept of numbers in expanded form and expanded form into numbers. What is expanded? एक्सपेंडेड का क्या मीन होता है? इंक्रीज. क्या मीन होता है? किसी चीज को फैलाना, ठीक है, स्प्रेड करना, फैलाना या इंक्रीज करना. फाइन, ओके. अब हमारे पास आई हैव एन एग्जांपल 6 स्पेस 000 स्पेस 1000 प्लस 700 space 000 plus 5 plus 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 plus 2 1 2 3 plus 1 0 0 plus 20 plus 5. So this is the expanded form and we have to write into numbers. So what would we do class? हम क्या करेंगे? Yes हादिया? What would we do? Very good. First of all, we will make a place value chart like this. And we just consider the first value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first value consists of 7 numbers. So it means it goes up to million. As I told you, the 7-digit number equals to million. Ones, thousands and millions. This is the main unit. These are the main units, and then each of them will be further divided into subunits, which is ones, tens and hundred. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Fine class? Okay. So first number is 6 space 000 space 000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 is at 7th number. यहाँ से अगर मैं start करूँ, if I am starting from this side, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 is at million place. और वैसे भी ये तो हमें पता है कि 7-digit number is equal to million place. Just we will write first number. Next, moving to the next number, which is 700,000. So how many numbers are in 1 is at tens place and then 5 is at ones place. So this is how we can write 7,753,215. Okay, this is how we can write expanded form into numbers. Okay, today we have a next topic which is ascending and descending order. So class, it is very obvious when we have discussed number, जब भी हम numbers के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, we have two orders in our mind. The first is ascending order and the second is descending order. Okay, Husna, you tell me what is ascending order. These have you have these read in your previous classes. So what is ascending and descending order? Very good. Ascending order is started from smallest to largest. क्या होता है हमारे पास ascending order? Smallest to largest, and descending order is largest to smallest. Isn't class? ये छोटे से बड़े की तरफ जाते हैं, इट्स मीन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बढ़ते हैं, so we can say also increasing order. And descending order is largest to smallest. ये बड़े से छोटी की तरफ जाता है, मीन्स कम होता है, so we can say decreasing order also. Fine. Okay, so I'm going to start question number 3, which is arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Question number 13. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Okay, A part 45 space 298 space 653, comma 45 space 288 space 653. नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या है? 45 स्पेस 308 653. Okay, so these are the numbers and we have to put one by one to give them order and arrange them to write in ascending order. क्या करेंगे हम? सबसे पहले वन बाय वन की प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट बना लेते हैं. ओके, 1 2 and 3. Ones, main units are ones, thousands and millions. Ones, thousands and millions. Ones, thousands and millions. Fine. Now ones will be further divided into ones, tens and hundred. Thousand will be further divided into thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and millions will be further divided into millions, 10 100,000. मिलियन की टर्म में million, 10 million, 100 million. Now in third, ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, this is the first number place value chart, this is the second place value chart, and this is the third place value chart. First is 653 which is at ones place, ठीक है. Then there is a space, its mean next value को ये belong करे which is 298, 1000 को belong करे. Then next which is 45. Fine. Okay, first number हो गया हमारा. Second 653, next is 288, and next is 45. Okay, in third number we have 653 belongs to ones, thousands में क्या है 308, and in million we have 45. Fine. ओके, अब हमने क्या देखने, वी विल सी वेयर वी हैव अ चेंज, कहाँ पे चेंज आया. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास वंस में इन थ्री नंबर्स वंस विल बी इज सेम, तीनों सेम है वंस के. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट विच इज 1000 में 298 है फर्स्ट नंबर. सेकंड में हमारे पास है 288 which belongs to 1000, and in third number 1000 is at 308. These all having 3 digit number. ऐसे ये क्लास. So according to number आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा नंबर फर्स्ट पे आएगा? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर की बात की है तो स्मॉलेस्ट से बड़े छोटे, स्मॉलेस्ट से लार्जेस्ट की तरफ जाने ना हम लोगों ने. तो 298, 288 and 308, which number is at one place? Very good, 288, then 298 and then 308. Okay, अब इसको लिखने का वे क्या होगा? वन पे क्या था हमारे पास 288, ठीक है. कोमा नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 45 स्पेस 298 स्पेस 653 एंड द थर्ड नंबर इज 45 स्पेस 308 स्पेस 653. अकॉर्डिंग टू असेंडिंग ऑर्डर फर्स्ट पे हमारे पास है 45 स्पेस 288 स्पेस 653, सेकेंड नंबर पे है 45 स्पेस 298 स्पेस 653 एंड इन थर्ड नंबर वी हैव 45 स्पेस 308 स्पेस 653. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मूव अनदर पार्ट which is B. Seven space 011 space 262 70 70 111 162. Next number is 7 002 space 162. Like the previous one, प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट। अब इसमें भी हम लोग ऐसे ही कर लेते हैं, प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट बना लेते हैं और फिर देखते हैं कि विच नंबर इज एट 1। ठीक है, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर के अकॉर्डिंग। असेंडिंग मीन्स क्या होता है क्लास, व्हाट इज मीन बाय असेंडिंग? स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम स्मॉलेस्ट एंड एंडिंग विथ लार्जेस्ट। फाइन। नाउ the first table is like this: ones, thousands and millions. Ones, tens and hundred. Thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Fine. नेक्स्ट प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट बना लेते हैं पहले हम। वंस, thousands and millions. Thousands, 10,000, 100,000. And millions will be further divided into million, 10 million, 100 million. Next place value chart, which is of number 3. The main units are ones, thousands and millions. Ones will be further divided into ones, tens and hundred. Thousand will be further divided into thousand, 10,000, 100,000. And millions will be further divided into millions, 10 million, 100 million. Fine. First number is this: 7 space 0 1 1 space 262. So 262 in this number belongs to ones column, so I will write 262 as it is. Then 011 belongs to thousand column, I will write 011 as it is. And then is 7. Okay. Next number which is this 162. अब ये फर्स्ट नंबर हो गया, इसको मैं कट कर देती हूँ। Next is 162 which is at ones place. 111 is at thousand place. And 70 is at million place. Fine. Okay. Now ये भी कट हो गया। नेक्स्ट नंबर 162 0002 belongs to thousand and 7 is at million place. Fine. Okay. अगर आप देखो तो फर्स्ट नंबर जो है वो कहाँ तक जा रहा है? The first number goes up to million. The second number goes up to 10 million and the third number also goes up to, very good, million. So अब हमें ये तो पता है कि ये थर्ड नंबर पे होगा because it is largest one. इन दोनों में कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो वंस में अगर आप देखो तो this is 262 and this is 162. 100 का गैप है, स्मॉलेस्ट ये है और लार्जेस्ट ये है। सो अब इसका वे क्या होगा लिखने का? 7 space 0002 space 162. Then next number which is 70 space 7011 space 262. Next number which is 70 space 111 space 162. 1, 2 and 3. This is how we can write numbers into ascending order. This is how we can write numbers into ascending order. Ascending means smallest to largest. Smallest to largest. ये clear हो गया सबको? How we can write numbers into ascending order? Okay. So this is all which is related to ascending order. If you find any difficulty related to this concept, you can ask me. Happy learning class. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.